Most Amazon sellers are flying blind because they don't know what reports are important and which ones are just complete BS, because there's so many different reports on Amazon. And that's why we're going over the new ones, the old ones, and everything in between. You can see the seller right here, too much. It looks like he's losing money on one page. On another page, he's making money in his bank account. He doesn't even know what's going on. And this is the reality of Amazon, is trying to figure out, okay, what's the actual data and what's the time frame, and trying to go from all of those. So there's always new changes, new updates, new reports. And one of the biggest and the best reports, in my opinion, is going to be the custom analytics report. Now you can create your own dashboard. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Amazon reports, custom analytics. This is where the game changes. This is pretty much all you need for most of your reports. You're going to create dashboard. Just forget about everything else. Create dashboard. And this is where everything we want to see right off the get. Device insights. What does my traffic look like? Like what device are they checking out on? Are they checking out on a cell phone? Are they checking out on a desktop? And that stuff is really important to know, because on a cell phone, your listing looks completely different compared to on your laptop. If people are buying mainly on their laptop, you want to just enhance it for your laptop, which most people do. But you'll realize really quick on your cell phone, your listing is not optimized. There's text that's cut off. It looks so small, they can't see, they can't even zoom in. So you need to triple check. This is going to literally tell you from Amazon themselves what their desktop percentage. So you got year over year, and you can see 93. Like this is a huge numbers percentage on desktop of people who are using it to check out. Customer satisfaction. Are my customers actually happy? Now you can see your overall star rating, what it kind of like shows on Amazon, your raw star rating, which is your legit customer review count, and refund rate. Now refund rate, this is huge, right? If you're looking at your refund rate, you can see it right here, right off the get. You can change the time period. You could add some color in, I think. I haven't tried this. If it's greater than 2%, 2, I also put 2. I'm going to change it to yellow. See if it works. There you go. I mean, these reports are pretty solid. I haven't even accepted this report yet. I'll click use template. We can make our own dashboard. All right. You can make anything you want. Let's see. I like the tiles. We got average selling price, sales by ASIN SKU, sales and traffic. And we can kind of just go through here and just put like what we want. Just kind of gets sales funneled. I don't know how that works, or what that even means fully for Amazon. Device traffic and conversion trends, right? Man, this report looks a little small. Let me see, kind of zooming out, save a tile. Oh, did we break this one? So again, you can see it's kind of newer. I don't know how I broke it, but this one's a little bit broken. I would refresh it, but a lot of opportunity here. So example, you can see the conversion rate, right? Straight up the conversion rate on mobile. So primary metric is going to be desktop, and then secondary metric is going to be mobile. And you can see it's pretty close, but desktop is still winning. It could be because of the item, since it's more for businesses, and businesses usually are going to be shopping on their laptop. So keep in mind what people are doing. What are they searching? And this is going to help you. The return rate, right? What is your return rate? That's also good. Fulfillment channel comparison. Just throw reports in. All FBA. Product ratings. It looks like it stops us here. So we need to pick a dashboard. But the thing about this is it updates in real time. So if you save this dashboard, it becomes your own little mini dashboard that you can come in any single time and review so many analytics without having to pull every single report one at a time. This is going to save everybody so much time and so much money. It's just about, testing it out, see what it can do for your business and help you expand. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO. If you need help selling on Amazon, links right in the description. Signing out.